How to get your Snapchat password if you forgot it. Now let's get started. First of all, open up the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, now if you tap on your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner, that will take you to your profile page. Now again head over to the gear icon from the top right corner, and if you go to the password from here, there you won't be able to find any option to view your password. Instead, you can simply change your password by tapping on this link provided that says forgot your password. If you forget it, you can simply rechange your password and then log in with your new password. But without resetting your password, if you like to view your password, then here is how you can view it. Now go back to your device and then open up settings in your mobile device again. Now once you're on your settings page, scroll down a bit and then navigate to Google. After you do that, you will land in your Google account page, and from there tap on manage your Google account. After that, under your account name, there is a menu bar with menus such as home, personal info, data and privacy. Now swipe to left and from there tap on security. Here scroll down a bit and there you will find option as password manager at the end. So tap on password manager. Now once you get to this interface, from here you will be able to view your Snapchat password. So simply tap on Snapchat and then provide your device PIN or password. And after that, from here you will be able to view your password. Simply tap in the eye icon from here and then that will show your password. So that was the way to get Snapchat password if you forgot it. And if this doesn't help you, then you can simply recover or reset your password in Snapchat and log in with a new password. So that's how you can get your Snapchat password. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.